want you to close your eyes and picture this. The crisp mountain air, the hush of falling snow, and a world wrapped in white. Sounds dreamy, right? Well, I decided to chase the dream of my first snowfall in this family trip to Himachal Pradesh. So if you're looking for some winter getaway inspo, this is it. So buckle up, come with me because we are heading where the Wi-Fi is weak but the vibes are strong, straight into the heart of Himachal. We took a train from Lucknow to Delhi and then met up with our tour driver. Let's be real, organizing a trip with extended family isn't easy, so not to lose our mental sanity, we decided to get help of a travel agency called Tripreneur. And drumroll please, that turned out to be one of our biggest mistakes, but more on that later. The drive itself was a visual slow burn, and as the planes melted away, the real world felt like a notification I could finally mute. First impression was of crisp air biting just right and the kind of quiet that feels earned.
Hi, welcome to Jimmy's
It is snowing and it's my first snowfall. हमारे टैक्सी वाला इशू हो रहा है but we are hopeful कि हम आए हैं तो हम कुछ तो देख के जाएंगे.
Hello everybody, I am reporting from Jibi today. It is our day 1 and since morning we have come across a lot of troubles, especially to travel around the city because the car that we came in to Jibi, apparently the driver was not allowed to drive around the city, which is why we also had to look for a local driver. But because this was all so last minute, most of the vehicles were already booked, so we had to resort to our car only. I don't know exactly what the issue was. Maybe it was some union issue or maybe landscape and the serpentine roads are a little difficult to drive, which is why बाहर के drivers को नहीं allow करते हैं, शायद यही reason है. But yeah, now we have come to Jibi waterfalls. This is the first spot that we have come to today. I think we will try to cover one more spot or two more maximum and then we'll call it a day because I also witnessed my first snow today. Hopefully the weather will be on our side. Hey, so we just came out of the Jibi waterfalls. How was your experience?
So. Experience was nice. It's a photogenic place.
but not much to see.
हाँ, that's true. चलिए अब हम खाएंगे पहाड़ों वाली मैगी because that's something that I have been craving and भैया ने एक और चीज़ बताई थी ट्राई करने को which is पहाड़ी स्पेशलिटी सिद्धू. तो देखते हैं मिलता है या नहीं.
हमें पसंद आया है ये.
हमने इन शॉप से लिया फ्रिज मैग्नेट, मम्मी के लिए टोपी और मम्मी के लिए शॉल. प्राइसेस वर ओके बट यहाँ पे बार्गेनिंग नहीं चलती. बट अगर आपकी बार्गेनिंग चल जाए सो kudos to you. Hello, you're so cute. अभी we finished our पहाड़ों वाली
Maggie, yeah.
and
It was so yummy.
we also had Siddhu and it was okay.
Actually, I liked it.
Chai was also really good.
Yeah, chai was good.
So yeah, finally पहाड़ों वाली मैगी वाला experience मेरा पूरा हो गया. Very late to this trend, but yeah, it was quite enjoyable.
Yes.
It really hits different. We spent the rest of the day cafe hopping, petting pahari doggos, buying some local chocolates for my friends back in Bangalore, and as the sun was setting, we cozied up around a bonfire and it started to pour cats and dogs. So we called it a night. Guys, it's day 2 morning. Mom is awake. She has took a shower, but I just woke up. I was just working on some real content, but look at this. It is so cloudy and it's raining. It has been raining the past night. Like the entire night it was raining. It's super cold, but I am a little bit conflicted if I should take a head bath or not. Would it even matter if I'm going to wear the cap the entire time because of how cold it is? Or अभी गीजर मिल रहा है तो उसका इस्तेमाल कर लेना चाहिए. Let's see. But yeah, it is super beautiful, ethereal, magical. And as we know, traveling isn't all picture perfect. On our second day, we started to notice the flaws in our itinerary made by our travel agency Tripreneur. Speaking to the locals, we realized that after Jibi, we should have gone uphill to Sharjah, which was just a few kilometers away. But rather, our itinerary took us several kilometers downhill to Tirthan Valley just to come uphill again on later days, which didn't make any sense and wasted our time unnecessarily in travel and traffic. But we tried to make the best out of it as well by slowing down, letting go, and just being in the moment. So we are here right now in Tirthan Valley, and our plans for today is just to go around the valley and do cafe hopping because it's quite late in the day, meaning that if we were to go to any trek or any place like that related to nature, it would get quite dark by the time that we come back. So we have decided to keep it really chill for today, and as I've told you, it was already raining the entire night. Roads are also quite muddy, so to save us the hassle of that entire thing, we're just going to keep it simple, do some cafe hopping, have some great food, and then probably do a bonfire and just have a chill. Honestly, this cute little Great Himalayan cafe is so underrated. I urge you to not skip this place, and the cute chef auntie totally stole our hearts.
आजकल तो नहीं बनाते हैं, गर्मियों में खुद से चीज भी खुद ही का, क्योंकि आजकल बहुत ज्यादा जम जाता है तो क्रश करना मुश्किल हो जाता है, तो गर्मी में खुद ही चीज बनाते हैं.
Wow. It is so good. And
Already done.
Yummy, yummy. Cheesy ahe.
So yummy. So yummy.
Recommend 10 on 10. The next stop was this Mojo Cafe where the wall painting looked exactly like the owner. Mommy, say hi. So right now we are in Mojo Cafe and we are going to play Jenga, and it's my mom's first time playing it. So let's see how good that goes. और निकाल के ऐसे ऊपर रख दिया जाता है. Right. Whoa! Performance pressure? What's that?
That's the correct way.
Oh! The ambience and vibe of this place was great, but the food was a huge flop, including chai. It was horrible to say the least. Then came my favorite family time around the bonfire, where this cute guest with no sense of personal space joined us for the night. Hi! We are having bonfire, and she is trying to figure out a song to put on story.
Very important stuff.
It's my mom's first time playing Dum Charades with us, and she is a little bit anxious.
2 words की movie है, हिंदी है. Okay.
Heroine पता है? Hero. Hello and good morning everyone. This is our day 3. We are still at Tirthan Valley, but it's bright and sunny today for a change, and we are going to the river that is right there, as you can see, probably here as well. So we're just going to go by the riverside, chill out, have some nature time, and then proceed to have some coffee and more cafe hopping. So yeah, let's go. Say hi! Hi! Not sure if you can hear us right now, but we have reached the riverside quite literally, and हमको ज़्यादा कुछ चढ़ाई नहीं करनी पड़ी. थोड़ा सा slippery था, but nothing that we couldn't manage, and it is absolutely stunning. आपको कैसा लग रहा है? बहुत अच्छा. But she was scared. And while we are here, these two people, my bhaiya and bhabhi, are making a reel. Look at that. This is beautiful. Oh my god, this is so worth it. जल्दी उठना बहुत ज़्यादा काम में आया. And we also made a really cute reel. My mom was looking so cute in that. And now we're off to get some breakfast. So the food here is absolutely absolutely amazing. I think the best one that we have had so far. It's so yum, and right now I'm having a hot cup of coffee. The trip is dripping at the moment and can't wait for more adventure. We said our goodbyes to the doggos, packed our bags for our next place, but here again came another mistake from our travel agent's side, which was not pre-arranging our 4x4 vehicle. Okay guys, to give you a little update, we are stuck at Kyagi because रास्ता बहुत muddy है and we came in Ertiga जो कि 4x4 नहीं है, and यहाँ पे इतना muddy रास्ता है कि जो हमारे साथ ड्राइवर आया था, he has given up and he has asked us to arrange our own conveyance.
वीक इंडिपेंडेंट वुमेन खड़े होके भगवान से प्रार्थना कर रहे हैं
हमारी गाड़ी लग जाए 4x4 और हम टाइम से चेकआउट करें और हम वो सारी एक्टिविटीज कर पाएं जो हमारी आइटनरी में हैं।
आप कुछ कहना चाहोगे मम्मी?
नो कमेंट्स।
I don't know how relevant this information would be, but current rate for a 7-seater is 200 rupees per person, and हमको यहाँ से शोजा जाना है जो कि 5 kilometers है, and we have luggage as well. So let's hope. What is that sound? I don't know. It sounds like something happy is going to come to us, and I have also prayed to God to ease some of our hurdles that we are facing, but nonetheless it is an experience.
It is what it is, guys.
Being stuck and eating momos, because you got to make the best of it. And yes, we finally made it, welcomed by Shoja's freezing under 0 degrees temperature.
पकड़ के लाया जा रहा है बेचारी प्रियांशी। And it's very slippery आशी, ये बहुत slippery है आराम से।
I want my refund from Decathlon. These shoes are slipping. Why are they slipping?
सबसे ज़्यादा slippery ये वाली stairs है।
Slipping and sliding, but that didn't stop us from having fun with snowball fighting. I just got attacked by a snowball. Watch out your back. As the sun set that day, it brought with it my health's downfall. I had a really bad stomachache that night.
But I'm just a girl. Downfall कितना भी आ जाए जिंदगी में, लेकिन
While I went to bed early, the rest of the bunch went to Firgun Cafe for dinner, which had quite a crowd. Okay, so to give you guys an update on where we are at, we have left from Shoja for Shangar and we have taken a small break, and my family is having little snack break while I am updating you guys. So the issue that we are facing again and again in this particular trip is that we are checking out at around 11ish, and by the time we reach the next destination it's already quite late. So there's not much to do at the moment since Jalori Pass is also not open, and there are other treks as well which we could have done, but since it snowed and rained, so they're also not open, and we're just staying in and having great family time, playing a lot of games, having a good time, but we're not able to do a lot of activities. I think if you were to come here in Himachal Pradesh, it's best to come during March and April because a lot of spots will be open for tourists. And right now I am near this river, so yeah, going to soak in the views now. And we're staying at Himkutir Shangar. The scenery here was to die for, so we quickly freshened up to go to Shangar Meadow, where you will also find the really famous Shangchul Mahadev temple. My god, we just took a lot of reel content and some YouTube content, and now I'm super hungry. The content turned out to be really cute. We did take a lot of retakes, but
the end result is all that matters. And look at the scenery behind me. It is so beautiful. My cousin had come here in June and the entire grass field and meadow was green in color. Right now it's brown and dried up, but it's still really cute.
Post that, we came back to our stay and had another bonfire and ended the night by playing Rapid Rumble, which I must say becomes 10x more fun if you're drunk. Good morning. It is the next morning and I'm back in the meadows with my buddies and this doggo. But I'm just laying here and soaking in the sun. It is so peaceful.
How's the breakfast, guys?
It was a very decent place. You can definitely check that out. And the meadows are right there at around 400 meters away. So it's also situated in a very convenient place. Then it was time to finally hit our next destination. Again, we felt like we were scammed because our hotel was not exactly in Kasol but 30 kilometers away from it. Keeping the frustration aside, we went to seek some peace and blessing to Gurudwara Sahib Manikaran that has deep roots in both Sikh and Hindu traditions.
As you can see behind me, there is a long line of traffic on our way to Manikaran where there is a Gurudwara. Instead, we decided to step out and walk up our way so that it will save us time, and by the time we reach there and get done with our prayers, our driver will also be able to reach by that time. So it's just a better utilization of time. And while we were coming up, there was a very sweet Sadhu Baba uncle who gave us some prasad. Now
it's believed that Guru Nanak Dev Ji visited this place in 16th century and performed miracles here of making a hot spring in the lack of fire to cook for a hungry disciple, making it an important spiritual site for Sikh. And according to Hindu legends, it's also where Lord Shiva found goddess Parvati's lost earring. And that's the meaning behind the conjoint name of Manikaran. And it's also considered sacred by both faiths. The place had so much peace to offer. We took the blessings of the most delicious prasad that I've ever had, and then also went to the hot spring in the basement where we saw these cute old doggos playing with stolen chappals of a pilgrim. While we waited for our driver to finish his langar, we had some street food as well.
How is it? This is bun chane.
As you can see, दोनों हाथों में भरे हुए हैं, तो you can tell yourself how it is.
amazing, something different. It's like tikki in a burger format.
Later in the evening, we strolled around in Kasol market and bought a bunch of souvenirs, calling it a night. The next morning was our checkout and we had our final settlement showdown with Trepreneur folks. Overall, after due settlement, this trip costed us around 17,500 per person for around a week of Delhi to Delhi round trip. But guys, the bottom line is that travel is never seamless. This trip wasn't just about chasing snow, but more about tuning out the noise. It was about finding stillness and cherishing quality family time, and honestly, that's the real escape. And coming on to the things that I will do differently and would advise you all to, is to take longer than a day at one place or skip a few places rather than packing each day with a different location. So if you're thinking of your own winter wonderland trip, this is your sign. Himachal is calling, so don't hit snooze. Until next time, like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.